Since the beginning of time, beings of higher intelligence known as the overseers have been in control of the universe. They have been known throughout history by many names, such as aliens, extraterrestrials, angels, gods, and devils. Because of the Draconian Wars 24,000 years ago, the overseers decided to establish a universal government known as the Intergalactic Confederation, whose sole mission is to maintain balance and order throughout the universe. The Starseeds are a branch of this galactic government and focus primarily on recruiting human beings from planet Earth who possess special abilities that can be used to further the agenda of the Intergalactic Confederation. The individual known as Windstorm is one such person, and this is his story.
Windstorm was shocked by what felt like a hallucination. Seeing the image of a lion like that resulted in lightheadedness and an increased heart rate. He felt desperate and vulnerable and could only think to find answers within the island. But he ran into a problem. He had used all of the ultraviolet down to its last drop. He didn't have enough to astral travel, so he put everything on hold and spent all of his time and energy trying to get some more. This last bottle that he ran out of came from his ex-girlfriend's house, but he didn't want to make her more involved than she already was, so he left her out of it and decided to call the original number from Galaxy Herb Shop. He spoke to the same person he met with in the park that day, but he acted as if he didn't remember him.
Nah, I don't remember that, man. I don't remember that. I don't recall. Remember who you is? All right, man. Whatever, man. Just pull up on me, man. I'm about to text you the address.
Okay. All right, bet.
Windstorm followed the address and met with the dealer, but he still acted as if he didn't remember their interaction at the park. And suddenly the situation took a dark turn.
You said you was everywhere but nowhere.
Hey, man. Where you hear that at? From you. You the one that said it. Last time you sold it to me. Everywhere but nowhere, like dark matter. You alright, man?
Everywhere but no salad. The ultraviolet, but no salad. The ultraviolet.
You still don't remember?
You must sell him the ultraviolet. Everywhere but no. You must sell him the ultraviolet. You must sell him the ultraviolet. Everywhere. You must sell him.
Ain't got no beef with you, man.
Sell him the ultraviolet.
I got this new shit called Ultraviolet. Go ahead and take this. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how you like it.
You must sell him the ultraviolet. Everywhere.
Oh, this is crazy, man. Look, man. I don't want nothing to do with this. I ain't even got it. I just get it from my plug, really. To be honest with you. I'll give you his number. Yeah, okay, that's cool. Yeah.
As previously mentioned in Phase 1, the Windstorm from the future timeline who was working for the Draconians used satellite technology as well as face-to-face hypnosis to control the mind of the dealer so that he would sell Windstorm the ultraviolet. And since the effects of the mind control was temporary, the dealer had no recollection of meeting with Windstorm in the park that day. Windstorm got the number of the distributor, and from there a series of events took place that would later reveal the true origins of the ultraviolet. Windstorm from the future already knew the formula to manufacture a synthetic version of the ultraviolet, and he was the one who shared it with the Draconian hybrids, and together they conspired to manipulate Anthony, Windstorm of the present. But in order to do this, they needed their identity to remain hidden, so they found a local drug dealer to play middleman. This drug dealer, known as the Plug, chose to distribute pounds of the ultraviolet to a local herb shop. The owner of this herb shop is who Anthony met with that day in the park. In order to understand this sequence of events, we had to be very specific with our questioning.
So wait, I'm confused. Does that mean that everybody that used it had access to the island?
No. The ultraviolet affected starseeds differently than it affected regular humans. As you know from me, I was able to travel to the island, which is outside of this physical dimension. But to a regular person, it just felt like a strong psychedelic high, like marijuana.
Windstorm got the number and called the Plug, and from there the situation became even crazier.
Hello?
Hey, what's up, bro? I had got your number from Leak. I was trying to see if you had some ultraviolet on you.
Who is this?
I got your number from Leak. Yeah, he told me you got the ultraviolet, and I was trying to get it from him. I don't want no problems, bro. Like, I'm just trying to, I'll pay whatever. You feel me? Like this.
Alright, man. Where you at right now?
Man, I'm leaving Leak right now. Like, I just talked to him. That's how I just got your number.
Alright, man. I'm gonna see you my address, man. I want you to pull up.
Okay, cool, bet. Alright.
Hey, who was that?
Man, I don't know, man. Somebody calling about the ultraviolet.
Man, find out who that was, man. How they know about that?
I don't know, man. Talking about he got the number from Leak.
Man, check that shit out. Find out what's going on.
Oh, I'm about to have Slime pull up right now.
105, slide.
Yeah.
He got the address and went to the location. When he walked in, he saw the ultraviolet above the fireplace mantel. He spoke with the Plug and asked could he purchase some, but he was denied.
I swear, Lee gave me your number. He said you could hook me up, though. I swear.
Leak gave me the number, man. Fuck me.
Told you the wrong shit.
I ain't got it, bro. You know what? It's a rap, bro. You heard what my man said. It's a rap, man. I appreciate you coming through. Now, if you want something else, I can give it to you. But if you want ultraviolet, we ain't got it.
So long story short, he wouldn't let me have it. I got in my car and I was ready to leave. But I didn't.
And why didn't you?
Because they left first.
You know this bitch talking about the ultraviolet, bro. That's crazy, man.
What the fuck you know about ultraviolet? Goofy, man.
Hello? Yeah. We at the spot. Pookie, what? Man, we on our way, man. Right now. I ain't talking about, man. Pookie just got robbed.
Alright, let's roll slide.
As they were leaving out, Windstorm saw the perfect opportunity to risk breaking in and taking the ultraviolet that he saw over the mantel.
You must got some balls coming up in here. My only thing is, I want to know if they basketballs or they little itty bitty tennis balls.
I just ran off on the plug though. I just ran off on the plug though. From the plug though. Now they looking stupid cause I'm taking all the drugs though. Hey, I just ran off on the plug though. I just ran off on the plug though. I just ran off on the plug though. Now they looking stupid cause I'm taking all they drugs though. It started when I ran out of ultraviolet. Gotta call the weed man, wonder if he still got it. See the ultraviolet herbs, have you going outer space, travel up from other earth. See, I just wanna use it cause I meditate. It give me clarity when
I was able to take all three of them down. I grabbed the ultraviolet and I got out of there.
Windstorm finally got some more ultraviolet. He took some as soon as he got back home. But there was a problem. You see, astral travel from the physical realm is always a complicated process. The spirit body stays behind, keeping the physical body alive within a sleep state, while the living soul is able to roam free throughout the 7 gates of heaven and beyond. The island existed as a realm above the 7th plane of existence. This is why only star seeds could pass through. But the process of traveling from the physical plane to the spiritual plane left Windstorm's living soul in a temporary vulnerable state. And since the goats were looking for him because of the crystal, they decided to capture Windstorm during his transition to the island and place his living soul into one of the sub-realms that was normally used as a torture chamber for lost demons.
All of this can stop if you just give us the crystal. We know you found it in the woods. Just give us the crystal and you're free.
Windstorm certainly did not want to give the goats the crystal, but the flames from the hellfire was too much to bear. But right before he was about to give in, something remarkable happened. The same lion that he saw in the woods appeared out of nowhere. And transported his soul to the island, where it was safe. While he was there, he asked the spirit guide about the lion, and this is when he first found out about the felines from the Sirius star constellation.
The lion that saved you is a member of the military class belonging to the feline extraterrestrials. The felines created this island as a safe haven for starseeds such as yourself.